देख पा रही थी that the guy is not doing well in his life and he is struggling because इतना धूप में वो आके सुबह सुबह खड़े थे. She steals from poor people. She literally steals from rich people. She's like a thief. Yo guys, I know I may look like a beggar, but is that so bad? Is being beggar so bad? पर हाँ भाई, मेरे को डेंटिस्ट के पास जाना है. बट मैंने एक पूरा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया था अबाउट the coaching I'm going to. But the thing is that I realized that if the girls I'm talking about ever come across those videos, they are gonna kill me, and I have like whole 7 months left and I have to be with them. So yeah, I kind of like took a backstep. Why can't I say anything? I took a back step and I was like, I'm not gonna post it. So I am gonna tell you about those incidents that happened to me in a way that उन लोगों को पता नहीं चले that I'm talking about them. So basically, there's this coaching I am assume that मैं वो coaching जा चुकी हूँ या फिर अभी जा रही हूँ. It's on your brain, okay? So basically, in this coaching there is this girl, okay? She is my so-called friend and I don't like her. I just have to be with her because unfortunately I just have to be with her, okay? Because like I have to sit with someone and she's the one I'm sitting with. So this girl steals like a lot. She steals like a lot. So basically, there was this incident where we went to buy some things from a shop, like a very small shop, okay? And what she did was that she stole some things. And by I don't know how to frame it in such a way that she doesn't understand that I'm talking about her, but this is so direct that she would know that I'm talking about her. But basically, we went to buy something, and this girl in on a ठेला, like पटना में ना एक ठेलाज होते हैं, ठेलाज ठेला ही बोलते हैं शायद उसको. ठेला होता है एंड ना उसमें बहुत सारी रिंग्स, की चेन्स, ब्रेसलेट एंड अदर स्टफ, अदर एस्थेटिक छोटू छोटू बच्चों का स्टफ रहता है. सो छोटे छोटे बैग्स ऐसे जो मैंने खरीदे हैं ऐसे रहता है. तो what we went there and well, that girl stole from like a literal very गरीब person because मैं देख पा रही थी that the guy is not doing well in his life and he is struggling because इतना धूप में वो आके सुबह सुबह खड़े थे. यूजुअली वो लोग अपना ठेला रात में ही लगाते हैं, बट I'm damn sure he was struggling and this girl stole from him and I felt so bad. I felt so bad because like सुबह उन्होंने ठेला आके लगा रखा था and it was so sad. Like I don't understand. I was like, and the other girls were like literally praising that girl for stealing, and that girl also stole another lipstick of someone in our class, which was so stupid and crazy shit. I don't know. I know I'm trying to make this sound like I'm not talking about her because if she watches my video, she is gonna know I'm talking about her. But yeah, bro, I don't know how to make it sound like it's not about her. So yeah, it's crazy, bro. She is crazy. I have so much incidents that has happened, but I don't know. Also, for somewhat reason, they don't like to eat from my tiffin. Like whatever my mom sends me with like pyar and love and care, they don't eat with like from my tiffin. Like I eat from their tiffin just to show them that I'm eating from your tiffin. You can have my lunch as well, but they don't eat. There's only one girl who eats from my tiffin. Otherwise, they don't eat from my tiffin, which is so weird. I don't understand what's wrong with her. Like she steals from poor people. She literally steals from rich people. She's like a thief. She's literally like thief. मेरे को कभी कभी लगता है कि and she also like begs me for money. So I don't understand, and she's not that good of a friend. So then I get really confused. But now that I've filmed this video, I hope this does not reach her YouTube. I know it's not gonna reach her YouTube, but it can reach the other people's YouTube, other friends' YouTube, which is not nice. I do not, because they always watch YouTube. They are 24/7 watching YouTube, and I don't want this to. If you are watching this, okay, if you are watching this, I just want to say to you that जिसकी फीड में जा रहा है, जिन दूसरी गर्ल्स की फीड में जा रहा है, गर्ल्स, आई लाइक यू. आई हैव नो बैड ब्लड विथ यू, बट आई हैव बैड ब्लड विथ हर बिकॉज you also know that she is not a nice person if she steals. But ठीक है जो भी है, अब I am taking this risk and I am gonna post this video because I really felt so bad. मैंने अपनी मम्मी को आके बताया and मम्मी was like, तू किन thief लोगों से you are making friends with? And I was like, and मैंने अपने भाई को बताया and they were like कि he was like कि girl, you better be akela than be with people like them. And I was like, yeah, that's kind of true. And I have started distancing myself, kind of, very kind of. Like I don't talk to them as much. Also, I get very bad vibes. Like ऐसा होता है ना कि you sit with someone and you get some, like ऐसा मैंने book एक manifestation book I read and it said that whoever you remember this, and I'm telling you, you're gonna feel this. If you're sitting with a person who has like very nice aura and very nice vibes, you're gonna feel good and you're gonna feel energetic. But if you're sitting with a person who does not have nice vibes, nice aura, and they are like so selfish and so into themselves only, narcissistic, you're gonna feel bad, you're gonna feel not nice. Okay. And yeah bro, never make friends like this जो अपने आप में ही बहुत narcissistic होता है and they they make you feel smaller than them because this girl is like really fair. Okay. And she I don't care. Okay. But she compares herself to that another girl, another friend, and she was telling me that, oh देखो देखो मैं इससे भी काली हो गई हूँ, देखो देखो. And I was like, I literally made that face. ऐसे मैंने उसको बोल दिया बिकॉज व्हाट एम आई सपोज टू से, लाइक अगर वो दूसरी बंदी को पता चल जाता, शी विल फील रियली सैड दैट बिकॉज वो दूसरी बंदी और इसका बॉन्ड बहुत अच्छा है, एंड शी विल फील सैड कि ये मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रही एंड क्या मतलब हुआ है फेयर और ये सब चीज़ों का. आई डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड what's the point of being a fair person if you are literally a thief, because you could be the best looking person ever and you could still be a bad person. So I don't know. And fairness and Bihar is like crazy. Fairness और बिहार का अलग ही कुछ चलता है. But yeah bro, and I have also been so tired because I've been going to coaching and look at my dark circles bro. I have been sleeping, I have been taking my 7 hours sleep, but still मैं इतना tired feel करती हूँ, इतना low of energy feel करती हूँ. आज it was a good day because I tried to maintain distance, and it, like I don't know if it's normal or not, because मैंने जब पहले मेरे जितने भी दोस्त थे बहुत कम थे पर बहुत अच्छे थे, तो जब भी मैं उनसे कुछ पूछती थी दे यूज्ड टू रिप्लाई. नाउ जब भी मैं कुछ पूछती हूँ दे जस्ट डोंट रिप्लाई एंड देन आई रिपीट माई सेंटेंसेस क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उन्होंने सुना नहीं है क्या मेरी बात. एंड bro they still don't reply, and then I ask for the third time and then they reply and I feel so bad. I feel so weird, like I feel like कि मेरी कोई इज्जत नहीं है क्या यहाँ पे, मतलब अब like why are we not replying to me, like why are we not addressing that there is a literal elephant in the room, which is me. But हाँ भाई, I don't know, they are really weird. Like the institute is amazing but the people there are really weird. They are like, there are people who have like ego issues, attitude issues, and there are some thief people also, so it's crazy. But the teachers there are Chummeshwari, they are very nice, but the people, the kids there are kind of very 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 weird. But either they will have ego or they will be thief. This is the like range. So yeah, crazy, right? Yeah, I really miss my old friends and I really miss Ellen. But what can we do? I just want to study for 7 months and then I want to get out of this shitty place and I want to go somewhere nice. मेरा मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोल भी नहीं पा रही हूँ एक्चुअली, क्योंकि मैं ब्लॉग में वो सब बोल भी नहीं सकती हूँ. एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी रोड सो मैनी थिंग्स अबाउट हर दैट आई फील बैड कि अगर वो देखेगी तो शी इज़ गोना हेट मी फॉर इट. एंड आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट अ कलेश बिकॉज आई लिटरली क्रिएटेड I literally colleged with that word. I invented that word, colleged. I literally colleged with everyone in Ellen, and I don't want to do the same thing again with people. That's why I don't want them to watch this video. But yeah, bro, I'm going to a dentist, and I don't know what to do. I mean, I don't care. ये बातें मेरे दिमाग में जब तब आती है जब मैं वीडियो बनाने बैठती हूँ. ऐसे तो I don't even care. I think I've reached this thing, and I'm so grateful to God कि I've reached this place where I don't care. Like pehle it used to affect me when someone was not talking to me or when someone was treating me badly, but now I just roll my eyes and like and I just move on, and that's how life goes, and that's what we want to do. But yeah, I'm sorry about my bad hairstyle. It is very hot here. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. I will meet you in my next video. Oh my god, my lip combo was warm and now it's not warm anymore, so yeah, bye bye.